Social media marketing. Where do you start with social media marketing for business? If you like the idea of using social media for business, then keep watching because I am going to tell you what social media marketing is and how you can use it to grow a small business. Stay tuned. Please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button now so that you never miss a video. Let's get to it. Now, before I tell you about social media marketing, what kind of content do you want to see on this channel? Let me know in the comments under the video. Okay, let's start with social media marketing for businesses. Social media marketing is a powerful way for businesses of all sizes to reach prospects and customers. People discover, learn about, follow, and shop from brands on social media. So, if you're not on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, you're probably missing out. With great marketing on social media can bring remarkable success to your business, creating devoted brand advocates and even driving leads and sales. Let me tell you what is social media marketing. Social media marketing is a form of digital marketing that leverages the power of popular social media networks to achieve your marketing and branding goals. But it's not just about creating business accounts and posting when you feel like it. Social media marketing requires an evolving strategy with measurable goals and includes maintaining and optimizing your profiles, posting pictures, videos, stories, and live videos that represent your brand and attract a relevant audience. Responding to comments, shares, and likes, and monitoring your reputation. Following and engaging with followers, customers, and influencers to build a community around your business and brand. Social media marketing also includes paid social media advertising, where you can pay to have your business appear in front of large volumes of highly targeted users. Let me now tell you about the benefits of social media marketing. With such widespread usage and versatility, social media is one of the most effective free channels for marketing your business today. Here are some of the specific benefits of doing social media marketing. It can humanize your business. Social media enables you to turn your business into an active participant in your market. Your profile, posts, and interactions with users form an approachable persona that your audience can familiarize and connect with and come to trust. It can help you drive traffic. Between the link in your profile, blog post links in your posts, and your ads, social media marketing is a top channel for increasing traffic to your website, where you can convert visitors into customers. Plus, social signals are an indirect SEO factor. Social media marketing can help you generate leads and customers. You can also generate leads and conversions directly on these platforms through features like Instagram and Facebook shops, direct messaging, call to action buttons on profiles, and appointment booking capabilities. Social media marketing can help you increase brand awareness. The visual nature of social media platforms allows you to build your visual identity across vast audience and improve brand awareness. And better brand awareness means better results with all of your other campaigns. Social media marketing can help you build relationships. These social platforms open up both direct and indirect lines of communication with your followers through which you can network, gather feedback, and hold discussions and connect directly with individuals. The bigger and more engaged your audience is on social media networks, the easier it will be for you to achieve your marketing goals. Let me tell you about some social media marketing statistics with regards to the benefits I have just told you about. Here are some social media marketing statistics that prove its power. Did you know that the average US adult spends 2.25 hours on social media every day? Over 65% of people who have a positive experience with a business on social media will recommend that business to their networks. Facebook users click on 12 Facebook ads on average every single month. 80% of people use Instagram to research products and services. Now, nearly 80% of Twitter users feel more positive about a business when they get a response to their tweet. 4 out of 5 people on LinkedIn drive business decisions. 46% of TikTok users engage in the app without any other distractions. Okay, let me now tell you about the essentials of a successful social media marketing strategy. A successful social media marketing strategy will look different for every business, but here are the things that they will all have in common. You will need to have good knowledge of your audience, what platforms they use, when they go on them and why, what content they like, who else they're following, and more. You will need to create a brand identity. What is the message you want to convey to your target audience? How do you want them to feel when viewing your content? You will need to design a content strategy. While there is a level of spontaneity on social media, you will need a structured content strategy to be able to have a consistent voice and produce quality content regularly. You should regularly check your social media analytics. Quantifiable insights will inform your strategy, including who you're reaching, the right content to share, and the best times to post, and much more. You will need to post with regular activity. Social media is a real-time platform. If you want to use it to grow your business, you need to post regularly, stay on top of engagements with your business, engage back and keep up with trends, and maintain accurate profiles. You can use an inbound approach. You should not use social media to pitch your business. Focus on adding value through useful and interesting content and building up those around you. This, in turn, will organically promote your business and others will promote it for you. I am now going to tell you about creating your social media marketing plan. Now that you know the essentials of a social media marketing strategy, it's time to put it into action. Your social media marketing plan is the roadmap to help you carry out your strategy. This helps you to put structure around your efforts so you can measure your success more accurately and make sure you're spending your resources more wisely. Here are some useful tips for you on how you can create your social media marketing plan. The first tip is choose your platforms. Choose based on your target audience, platforms popular for your industry or your niche, as well as your bandwidth. Only take on the number of platforms you can actively keep up with. You can always start with one platform and then add one more slowly as you get the hang of them. You can set simple goals and objectives. These should be simple and task-like to start, like post once a day for a month, get your profile set up, or do a competitive analysis. Once you start and get into a rhythm and gather insights, you'll be able to set more specific and strategic goals like increase your following by say 20% or publish more specific content types that you found your audience likes per month. You can report and adjust your strategy regularly. Use each platform's analytics to identify which posts generate the most engagement or whether you're getting more followers and to see your audience demographics. You can harness and scale up what is working well and what isn't. Here are some social media marketing tips to help you grow a small business. You can create diverse content to reach and attract more people. Consistent with other areas of online marketing, content is supreme when it comes to social media marketing. You need to make sure you post regularly and provide truly valuable information that your ideal customers will find helpful and interesting. Let me give you some examples of what you can include in your social media marketing strategy. You can do how-tos and quick tips, local and industry news. You can give data and insights. You can use polls, questions, and contests. And you can use updates and announcements. It also means making use of the variety of formats social media offers, including images, videos, stories, live streams, online stores, and more. Let me give you my next tip for social media marketing, and this is to stay consistent. Using social media for marketing enables your business to project your brand image across a variety of different social media platforms. While each platform has its own unique environment and voice, your business's core identity, whether it's fun, friendly, or trustworthy, should stay consistent. Here is another tip: don't just post, engage and participate. In other words, don't just log in once a month to schedule out all of your posts. Social media channels are communities. You need to pay attention to who's engaging with your content and engage back. You can respond to comments, like, share, and comment on their posts. You can run live streams, post polls, and real time questions to spark discussions. And you can repost other people's content. Make sure you don't forget to check out the link down below to the Social Media Marketing Consultant online course. This course will help you develop your digital skills and advance your marketing career with social media marketing, and provide you with all the training and the knowledge you need to create a profitable business from start to finish. The link is in the description below, so check it out now. Please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. Please don't forget to connect on Facebook. I have put the link to the Facebook page in the description under this video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.